So it's come to my attention doing home inspections every day that a lot of homeowners have no idea that their dishwasher has a filter in it. When I tell them that, they go, "What?" They all start scratching their heads. So let me show you how to check that out and make sure it's clean. Okay, first thing you gotta do is take out the bottom rack right here, as I did. Just turn that out of the way, and you wanna take this off. It comes off pretty easy. As you can see, that's a filter, and as you can see all this white gook, that means it's clogged up. Ew! So this needs a really good cleaning. And then there's an area down there that's got to be cleared out as well. All right, let's give this thing a cleaning here. See what it's going to take to get this white stuff off. And then rinse it. Now you can see that that's clear, and that's the dirty side right there. I have no idea what that is. That might be dental floss that got stuck in the dishwasher. It's a pretty handy little thing, especially for cleaning straws. Okay, so you get the general idea. You just got to clean this as best you can. Take everything out of it. All clean. I can see through the filter. Let's clean out the bottom part of the drain, and we'll put this back in. Okay, let's see if there's any debris inside here. Yep, got some there. There you go. It's all back in. Now we should have cleaner dishes. By the way, if that filter is really dirty and you're taking your dishes out and they're a little bit cloudy or just not rinsed very well, that's probably why. And this is a DIY job you can do yourself. It's very simple to do as long as you know what to do. And I just showed you in this video, so I hope it was helpful. Please subscribe and like the video. And you'll receive more notifications on future how to live in a home videos.